Alright, so we are 3 hours into it. It's pretty hard to pick up the camera and start filming because so many people arrive at a time, and we've sold like a ton of stuff, but we still have a bunch of stuff there. And the reason why I wanted to do this garage sale was because these are items that I can't sell on eBay, can't sell on Amazon, tried selling on Craigslist, didn't really work, so now the last resort is doing a garage sale. And most of these items, honestly, like, I could care less about, and anything for them is better than nothing. Alright, so that's a wrap. We are ending it 1 hour early because we haven't gotten any foot traffic in the last 30 minutes or so. It's 2 p.m. It was supposed to go on till 3 p.m. And now we're just starting to take everything down, packing away everything. Say hello to everyone on YouTube. We still have a bunch of items here that did not sell. Yeah, put everything in there. And let's see how we did. Let's count and see how we did. Alright, so it's the end of the garage sale. Let's count the profits and see what we did. Remember, these are all items that me and AURET did not care about at all, and pretty much we just, if anyone wanted to hand us some form of money, we were just gonna get rid of it because this stuff was literally just sitting there doing nothing. So this was our little profit box here. Oh, there's some money already creeping out. Let's see how we did. So I've already organized the bills here, and I did put $100 to begin with in various amounts of bills and coins for like the starting float, just so that I could give change to people. So I'm gonna remove 100 because that's what we already put in the first place. So I'll put that over there, and let's count here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. Okay, put that under there. 10, 9. Trying to find another toonie. There we go. Okay, so far we are at, wait, I won't say it till the end. Okay, another 10 there. 2, 3, 4. We had one more lady come at the end and buy some books and CDs. It's crazy how many people still buy CDs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put that there. Still counting. What are you eating?
Watermelon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still counting. What is your guess?
200 something.
What is your guess?
210.
1, 2,
253.
4, 6, 10. So we'll put that one right there. This is like just small change here. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. Okay, here we go, AURET. Ready for the drum roll. Do the drum roll. Get on camera. Get on camera and do the drum roll. Okay, drum roll. Okay, so I moved the 100 float because that's what we started with.
Okay.
So we're at 1,
How much?
2,
210.
This is 10, 2, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. So it's $232.05. We managed to get a 5-cent there, even though everything was priced like evenly.
Yeah, because some people were like,
We're just like, here's
take
change.
the entire thing of change.
Take the change.
And we're like, sure, yeah, we would give everything away for free anyways.
So $232. That's pretty good considering all this stuff is considered junk to me right now.
Everything was like $1.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. That was the garage sale. I've been wanting to do a garage sale for a while because you accumulate like so much like trinkety type stuff that you just don't use anymore, and I know that people would purchase it. So I had a lot of fun. I'll do another video where I talk about like specific items that I did sell during this garage sale, and I'll do that in another video. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye!
Bye!
Back from the dead.